In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an email account from Microsoft Outlook. If you're cleaning up Outlook, switching jobs, or simply no longer need a particular mailbox on this computer, removing the account from Outlook is quick and safe. This action only disconnects the account from the Outlook app on this device. It does not delete the email account with your provider, and your messages remain available through webmail or on other devices signed into the same account. Start by opening Microsoft Outlook. Once Outlook is open, look to the very top left corner of the window and click File. This takes you to the Backstage view where you manage accounts and app options. On the Info page, find Account Settings and click it. A small menu appears. Choose Account Settings again from that menu. This opens the Account Settings window where all of the mail profiles connected to Outlook are listed. Make sure you're on the Email tab. Here you'll see each account that's currently set up. Click once to highlight the account you want to remove. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct one, especially if you have several accounts with similar names. With the correct account highlighted, click Remove. Outlook will display a confirmation prompt to make sure you want to proceed. Choose Yes to confirm. At this point, Outlook disconnects that mailbox from the app. Any messages that were synced for that account will no longer